how to stack oscilloscope of goodwill. Connect the oscilloscope to the PC via USB port. Connect the logic analyzer trigger output signal to the oscilloscope trigger input. Open the network of Goodwill instrument and download the USB driver. After connecting the Goodwill oscilloscope to your PC, open the Device Manager window and assign the correct driver.
Click on the top of the toolbar, Acquisition.
From the drop-down menu, click on the Connect to DSO. Select Goodwill brand, then click Connect icon. Set the oscilloscope's channel resolution. Group A0 and A1 channels into a bus. Set the trigger condition. Add protocol decoders. Find I2C protocol decoder. Configuration protocol decoder. Users can hide packets for easy viewing.
Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position.
Click the single capture icon. Users can view transient waveforms in an oscilloscope. There is some delay between the oscilloscope and the logic analyzer. Click the packet list icon. Logic analyzers are more suitable for multi-channel, long-term data measurement and decoder protocols than oscilloscopes.
Thank you for watching.